Hello, guys. Coming to you today from Hobby Lobby, and they got some good deals going on. They got candles, candle holders, and whatnot for 50% off. And I just came across this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God, this is beautiful. And it's $35. These are gorgeous. Look at that. My girl, she make stuff like this. I'm sure she can make this. My best friend. And then I like anything that sparkle. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. And look at this. This is the stuff that melts my heart. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she can do these type of things right here. Oh, look at this. That's nice. And so I had picked this up. Got these $5.99, $6. And look at that. And this is a candle holder. This is gonna be on my table. And this is $6.99. So everything pertaining to candles and warmers and holders are 50% off. Oh, wow, look at this. I made something like this for my both of my daughters. I made them a bathroom set, like it was a soap dish, a soap dispenser, liquid soap dispenser, and a toothbrush holder. And I did the broken glass, and it was just so nice. So they have all of this 50% off. Ooh, oh, these are flameless. These are flameless, but I mean, it's okay. I like the real thing though. So let me see, because I want a real good smelling candle. I like linen smelling candle, and I'm into this thing now where I burn oils, essential oils in my bedroom while I'm oh, this smells good. What is that? This is lavender and woods. It's like a soft scent. Let's see. I really came here to get some vinyl and some fabric, but this always gets me. I see a deal, I want to jump on it. So let me see what we can get. I want something that's going to pretty much complement the that little sparkly candle holder stand that I have. But I would probably need a huge candle for that. I don't know. Let's see. That smells wonderful. And I like the wick. I think I'm gonna get this. It's $15.99, and it is clementine and mango. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. Let me get out of this aisle. Oh, they got actually, wow, look at that. 50% off. Oh, this is gore. Like Kim Kardashian always say. She don't say the whole word gorgeous. She said this is gore. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This is pretty. It's a lamp.
The Hobby Lobby custom framing department is a perfect place to thought special.
I want this.
Our custom frames are always 50% off.
So it'll be $30 because it's 59. It's $60 and it's 50% off. This is
Paper
gore.
craft line 1, paper craft line 1, please.
Oh my goodness. See, this is my style right here. I would do something like this. That's so pretty. Everything is 50% off? Okay, I see you. Okay, I'm about to get in trouble because I know I don't need to be in these aisles because I'm about to pick up some stuff. Let me head on over to get this vinyl because I still gotta go to the other store. Okay, so they have this. I had bought this before, this Paper Studio vinyl, and I like it, but this is permanent vinyl. So I think I only need like, let me see. Let me get to the heat transfer first because, let me see. I have to make a Betty Boop apron or mitts. So, oven mitts. Let me see. Okay, so they have vinyl, Cricut vinyl, 40% off. I don't usually buy Cricut that much because I don't know. It's just something about I really don't like. Let's see.
Cancel. It's code 3 to register 2, code 3 to register 2.
It's the Paper Studio. Now, I've used the permanent, but I hadn't used the iron on. And this is actually, see, this is actually more than a Cricut. Well, some of it, because some of this Cricut is $19.99 and this is $16.99. Let's see. Oh, that's a pretty glitter. What is this? Oh, this is removable vinyl. I don't need that. Ooh, it's hot. I gotta take off my jacket. I want to do also a vision board with my kids. What is this? Oh, that's what I need. I need some label. What are these stickers? Sticker paper. I need clear, actually. Man, when I tell you, Hobby Lobby has everything.
Bonnie, to your register, please. Bonnie, to your register.
They have literally everything you could possibly want. Need some printer paper for my printer. Now, I wonder, do they have it here? When I tell y'all I'm in heaven, when I'm at this place or any other place like Joann's or Michael's, I'm in heaven. This is such a stress reliever, I'll tell you. And then knowing that I can create something. See how I just come across things and I can think of so many things I can do with this. It's crazy.